recording the whole time. The whole time? Really? Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Nickkii. So much for tuning in. Today I'm going to go ahead and recreate this look that I saw Queen Naija post not too long ago. It was the green eyeshadow look that looked really good. And I saw her look on Instagram. I was blown away. It was so pretty. It was just naturally just gorgeous. So I went ahead and recreated that today. The products that I used was this Fierce by Nature 3503 palette by Morphe, which has these beautiful colors. This isn't the first time I use this palette on my channel, but these two definitely, I was like, oh, I gotta go ahead and do it because they were in the palette. So I went ahead and used this on my entire look. All right, for my lips, I am wearing our new, this is by my brand Nickkii Cosmetics, Velvet Matte Lipsticks. This is in the shade Praline Rose, and it comes in this beautiful packaging, and it looks like this. Really pretty. All right, very pretty. And I topped it off with our lip gloss, our Dazzling Diamond lip gloss. It comes in this beautiful packaging in Skin. Now this one has sold out. Not sure when I'm going to restock it, but it is the perfect nude shade. Okay, and lastly, for my eyes, my lashes, I am rocking my brand again by Nickkii Cosmetics in the style Bonita. So it comes in this clear packaging, and you will have the name on the back, and this packaging is just everything. So it's for my bosses. It comes in this diamond case from front to back. Okay, and that's how it opens. Follow me and subscribe. Make sure you hit that bell as well so you'll be notified the next time I post a new video. I hope y'all enjoyed, and make sure y'all tag me if you recreate this look. Bye.
I begin to.
You're mine for sure.
So much for tuning in. I hope you enjoyed, and I had a lot of fun recreating this look. If y'all want me to recreate anything else, please let me know on Instagram. If you're interested in purchasing any of these products, please visit my website on nickkiicosmetics.com. That's NICKKII cosmetic COSMETIC.com. All right, y'all, peace.